I hope you'll hang out with me today as we explore Newton's second law of motion. So what is Newton's second law of motion? Newton's second law of motion states that force equals mass times acceleration. One of the easiest ways to study that is using gravity because it has a constant force of 9.8 meters per second squared. The equation force equals mass times acceleration allows us to calculate force, which we measure in newtons, using the mass of an object and the acceleration. This allows us to predict things like how fast something falls or how hard it hits, how much it speeds up. It also allows us to calculate things like moving cars to rocket ships, to apples falling out of trees. Thanks for joining me for this short Science Foundations video.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.